to my channel. It's your girl Caroline. That's me. Okay, what's good, what's poppin', how y'all doing? So today we're gonna be doing a super easy, super quick closure. Love a good closure. This is a water wave bob from Hurela hair company. It is 14 inches. It did not, so basically it came already parted in the middle, but I did go ahead and bleach and pluck the hairline a little bit, but it did come already bluntly cut like this. That's why I sometimes like getting a bob already made by the company. Why is my lighting tripping? Relax. But sometimes I like getting a bob already made by the company because they already do the cutting for you. You know it's gonna be more exact if they do it, especially you're not the best cutter. But first thing first I'm gonna do is tint the lace. It's already like a light brown color, but to get in my exact shade, I'm gonna use my NARS foundation, which I should not be using, but it's my exact foundation shade and I can't find anything else still. Just gonna get some of that and just, you know, buff that into the bottom of the lace to get it, oh, gosh, to get it to match my skin tone. Just blow dry this nice and dry. Alright, cool. Now the wig is tinted. I'm gonna slap this wig on, but off camera because my braids look horrendous and that's none of y'all's business, okay? Okay, wig is on. And honestly, this wig is about to be so easy. Like, it's gonna be one of those 10-minute, actually 10-minute installs because it's a closure. They've already made it into a middle part, so you know, that part of the work is taken out of the way. And you can add an elastic band to this and not even have to spray it down at all. But since, you know, I like a very melted look, I'm gonna spray it down. I'm gonna be using my lovely ebon lace spray. This is the extreme hold. I've never used the other type. I've always used this and I really like this. It's my bestie. And I'm just gonna use that to spray down our lace. Going in with my blow dryer, my wrap tail comb, I'm just gonna dry the lace and just push it all down and in. But I'm using a cool setting because cool setting works way better in my opinion than a heat setting, so you can slowly let it dry. Right, she's sprayed. I'm gonna use these little brow razors to just cut off that lace and cut as much lace that's unnecessary as possible. Okay, cute. I missed a piece right here. See, already lace hasn't laid. It's only been like 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna pull out my baby hairs. And since I'm trying to keep it simple and basic, I'm just doing 2 swoops. That's it. That's all I need, girl. One thing I've been doing different with my baby hairs is instead of cutting them first, I like to like pre-swoop them sometimes so I can know where exactly I want to cut them. So I'm just gonna swoop it halfway. Oop. So I'm gonna cut it like right there. And then I go ahead and cut now that I know where I want to swoop it. And this kind of just helps me from cutting them too short because sometimes I do that. And then proceed to swoop as normal. Alright, now I'm just gonna lay them down, let them dry. Let the lace also get more laid. Oh no. While that is laying, I'm gonna go ahead and just press this part out. I think I need to pluck the part some more. It's too narrow. Can't really see the part that well. I want this part to show properly. But first I'm just gonna press the hair out with this hot comb. I want this to be more of a lifted root type of look, so I'm gonna lift the roots up a bit. I don't want it to go straight down. And I'm gonna pull this down so I can see the part, because I want to pluck the part. Ooh, see? I'm just trying to clean up the part to make it look more neat and professional. Hey guys, voiceover Caroline over here. So the audio in this clip was really bad and I was like, it's too loud, y'all can't hear me, there's a lot going on, so I just had to voice over. But basically what I was doing now, I just went in with a water bottle and literally just water and sprayed down the hair and just made sure I drenched it. You already know the deal, drench the hair to help you break out the old curl pattern, using a little detangling brush to help me just brush out the natural waves. And of course, I'm just making sure I'm scrunching the hair as well to help let the curls and the waves properly form. But this was really super simple and easy. Like, I just have water in here. Once I was done defining the hair, I went ahead and let the hair air dry, and I'm gonna come back to you guys once the hair is done air drying. So I'm back. The hair is done air drying. I'm going to go ahead, as you see right now, I'm just going to use my hands to fluff out the hair to help give me that nice thick volume. But I'm going to try not to make it too fluffy because I don't want it too frizzy. I want to keep the defined curls. So just slightly separate the curls out. And I also went ahead and added some concealer in the part so you can help, make the part look nice and clean and more professional and just, well done. That makes sense. But that's really all I had for this install. Like I said, every time it's so easy. I love closures, they're my bestie, and this was a very nice, easy toss on wig. Super cute. I love the way the blunt waved. Bleh. I can never speak to say my love. I really like this blunt wavy type of look. I feel like it's very casual, but if I did my makeup and stuff, it can be very glam. But thank you guys so much for watching. Hope to see you in another. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And see you guys in another one. Peace out, Girl Scouts. Goodbye.